Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, May 5th. Just two trades. They were both scalps. One was a full, one was 50%. Picked up 8.8 pips on a size-adjusted basis. Non-size-adjusted basis, 12.2. So we'll go over that in a second. First, economic news. Really not much out there. All eyes and all ears are on tomorrow morning's non-farm payroll. So you really couldn't expect too much this morning. Initial jobless claims came out this morning. Again, it's a weekly number, so you don't put too much weight in it. It missed estimates, came in with more jobless claims than anticipated. Biggest spike in 16 months. But again, it's a weekly number. We don't put much into it. The only other thing really was Stanley Druckenmiller came out actually late yesterday at a conference, and he just basically ripped apart the Fed, saying negative rates is insane. Zero bound rates aren't working. QE didn't work. All it did was create an asset bubble. He's very bearish on equities. Thinks bonds could rally more. One of his biggest position is a precious metal. He didn't say which one, but you have to assume that it's gold. So other than that, really nothing much to talk about. Again, all eyes and all ears are on tomorrow's non-farm payroll. I think the estimate's about 225 or so. We'll see. I mean, it could be pretty much in line, or it could blow past, or come up short. I mean, who knows? If it was an accurate number and it was going along with the economy, it would fall well short. But the way the government massages that number, it's obviously it could very easily beat. We all know unemployment's not 5%. It's statistically impossible, but the government wants to continue to tell us that. So let's get to the trades. First one was Euro Yen. We had 50% of our normal size. It was a scalp. We were long 122.774. Went very quickly in our favor. Sold 122.841. We could have pieced out with a scalp. It's a little iffy because you're using some more leverage than normal. So we took the 6.7 pips, or size adjusted 3.3. You can see what it did. It made a run right to the figure, literally 10-15 minutes after we got out. Actually ran through the figure of 123 all the way up to 123.20. So it was a really solid trade if you were in it with us. Second one was US dollar Japanese yen, which was last evening, actually kind of late. We were short from 107.069. We had a full position in this. We threw a bid in there to cover just ahead of the figure of 107.02. It happened while we were not in the office, about 1:30 in the morning. Must have been coming down pretty hard with some good volume, because we actually got filled 107.014, picking up 5.5 pips. Again, that was a full position. You can see what it did. It ran all the way down to 106, about 93. So if you were in it, you had some good chances to make a profit. And even if you held it, look at it over here, it ran all the way down to 106, about 78 or 79. So it was a really solid trade there as well. So in the end, we'll take it 8.8 pips, and we'll move on till tomorrow. Who knows what non-farm payroll will give us? We're certainly not going to hold any positions going in as far as a directional trade. We still have our correlation positions, which we will be monitoring, of course. Maybe tomorrow's non-farm payroll might give us enough action where we could put a correlation trade on sometime throughout the morning or afternoon, and hold it for a few days, and we'll see what happens there. So that's it. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And if we get some action tonight or tomorrow morning, we will do another video tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.